Are you considering RentFlex for your property management needs? Before you make a decision, there are 12 crucial things you need to know about this software, especially if you're comparing it to other solutions in the market. Stay tuned to get the full picture, as some of these insights might surprise you. First, RentFlex is known for its user-friendly interface. It's designed to make property management simple, even for beginners. Unlike some competitors, RentFlex doesn't overwhelm you with complex menus or hard-to-understand features. It offers an intuitive dashboard, which many users appreciate for easy navigation. Next, RentFlex offers strong lease tracking capabilities. You can keep tabs on all your leases in one place, with reminders for renewals and payment due dates. However, when compared to competitors like AppFolio, RentFlex falls a bit short on customization. You can track leases, but some more advanced features available elsewhere might be missing. The third thing to know is the online payment system. RentFlex allows tenants to pay online, which is a major convenience. You'll also get automatic reminders sent to tenants for late payments. However, it's not as robust as other solutions that offer payment tracking integrated with accounting systems. It's convenient, but if you need advanced accounting features, you might need to look elsewhere. The fourth thing is RentFlex's mobile app. It's available for both iOS and Android, giving property managers the flexibility to manage their properties on the go. While the app is decent, it lacks some of the more advanced features found in competitors like Buildium, which offers a more feature-rich app for both tenants and landlords. Now let's talk about communication tools. RentFlex offers messaging features to connect tenants and property managers. But unlike Propertyware, its messaging system doesn't allow for detailed communication history tracking. If you need a fully integrated communication tool, RentFlex might not be the best fit. The sixth thing to note is their customer support. RentFlex has a solid reputation for quick responses and helpful support agents. However, when compared to larger companies like Yardi, RentFlex's support team can sometimes be harder to reach during peak hours, so it's something to keep in mind if immediate assistance is crucial to you. The seventh thing to consider is the pricing structure. RentFlex is fairly competitive, offering various tiers depending on your needs. The pricing is transparent, but it may not be as affordable as some no-frills options like Tenant Cloud. If you're just starting out with a small portfolio, RentFlex might not be the cheapest choice. The eighth thing is RentFlex's reporting capabilities. It provides basic reporting features like income and expense reports, which are helpful for most property managers. However, if you require in-depth financial reports, RentFlex doesn't provide as much depth or flexibility as other tools like RealPage. The ninth thing to know is how RentFlex handles maintenance requests. Tenants can submit maintenance tickets, and you can track their status. But if you manage larger properties or need to integrate with third-party vendors, RentFlex lacks some advanced maintenance tracking features that competitors like Buildium excel at. Next, RentFlex integrates with third-party applications, but the integrations are somewhat limited. If you rely on specific tools or software, you might find RentFlex a bit restrictive compared to other systems that offer a wider variety of integrations. The 11th thing to know is that RentFlex is best for smaller to mid-sized property portfolios. If you're managing large-scale properties or a complex portfolio, the software might feel a bit basic. Larger property management firms may prefer tools like Yardi or AppFolio, which are designed with enterprise-level needs in mind. Finally, while RentFlex offers useful features, it doesn't always stay ahead of the curve. Some of its competitors release new features and updates faster, meaning RentFlex might not have the same cutting-edge tools available. If you want the latest technology, consider other options that are known for rapid innovation. Overall, RentFlex is a solid property management solution, particularly for small to mid-sized portfolios. It covers the basics and is easy to use, but if you need more advanced features or a highly customizable experience, there are other options worth exploring. For a solution that offers both simplicity and advanced capabilities, check out our recommended software that you can try for free.